If you're aiming for an A star in A-level business, don't make the same mistakes that most students do. In the next few minutes, I'll share 3 tips that can completely change the way you prepare for your exams. Let's get straight into it. These aren't generic study tips like revise more or work harder. These are practical strategies that can help you earn the marks that separate an A from an A star. So let's start with the most important one. Tip 1. Learn the mark scheme. Most students think success comes through memorizing the text. That's only half the battle. The examiner isn't marking how much you know, they are marking how well you answer the question. Before every exam, spend time looking at past papers, mark scheme, and examiner reports. Pay attention to what earns marks, and just as importantly, what causes students to lose them. For example, if a question asks you to evaluate, don't stop after explaining one side. You need to weigh up both sides and reach a justified conclusion. Understanding what the examiner wants can be one of the fastest ways to improve your marks. Here's a mark scheme that you can read and understand. Tip 2. Use a clear structure. Even if you know the content perfectly, a poorly structured answer can cause you valuable marks. A simple structure that works well is knowledge, application, analysis, and evaluation. Knowledge is the understanding of information, facts, and concepts. It's how you connect new ideas. Our A-level focus on mastering key models and applying them. Mastering application. Step 1. Break down the scenario. Analyze the case study details, who, what, where, why. Step 2. Linking theory to facts. Choose your models, such as SWOT, work to connect specific business theories directly to the scenario's evidence. Step 3. Structuring your argument. Apply the models to build a chain of reasoning. Show how they explain that outcome. And by doing this, you will be able to score high marks. Analysis is a process of explaining how and why an event, policy, or concept leads to a specific outcome. It requires you to build a logical step-by-step argument by unpacking a concept rather than just stating a fact. Instead of just saying an increasing taxes, reducing spending, analysis requires you to map out the entire mechanism. Evaluation is a final and highest-order thinking skill. It involves stepping back from your analysis to judge, critique, and weigh the arguments you have made to reach a reasoned conclusion. If analysis is explaining how something happens, evaluation is deciding how much it matters, whether it is a good thing or what it depends on. As a result, start by making your point, then apply it to business in a question. Then explain it matters. Finally, evaluate by discussing limitations or making a judgment. This makes your answer easier for the examiner to follow and helps you cover the assessment objectives. Tip 3. Practice like it's the real exam. Reading notes feels productive, but exam rewards writing. Complete past paper questions under timed conditions. When you finish, don't just check the answer and move on. Compare your response with a mark scheme. Ask yourself, what did I miss? Where could I have added more analysis? Did I evaluate properly? Learning from your mistakes is one of the fastest ways to improve. To summarize, number 1. Learn the mark scheme. Number 2. Use a clear structure in every answer. Number 3. Practice under exam conditions and learn from your mistakes. If you consistently apply these 3 tips, you will give yourself a much better chance of achieving an A star. If this video helped you, consider subscribing because I'll be posting more A-level business content, including how to write full Mark 20 mark answers, common mistakes students make, and revision techniques that actually work. Thanks for watching and good luck with your exams.